Just put away that damn phone. We're all so used to just constantly scrolling. When we feel bored, we pick up our phone, we start scrolling. You go to the toilet and you literally bring your phone with you every single time. Can you tell me the last time that you went to the toilet without your phone? When did you just go out to the forest, climb up into a tree, like do some weird shit like that? When did you last do that? You probably can't remember because you're always on your phone. So this video that you're seeing right now is your sign to finally put away that damn phone. Almost all the problems in society stem from literally just you being on your phone too much. You have a porn addiction. You have a social media addiction. You struggle with just like you consume way too much. You waste all your time. You can't focus on anything. Your attention span is fucked. You can't do anything. Just because of your phone, just because of the device that you have in your front pocket. Bro, that is a side point. Stop putting your phone in the front pocket because of like radiation and shit. That's a side point. But just put away the phone. Like this is like this your sign to just literally go home. And you're probably at home right now. Put your phone down, go outside, go for a walk, reflect on like life. Just reflect because you probably never. Every time, bro. I know I'm yapping because like this is just an unscripted video, but it's probably been a very, very, very long time since you last reflected on anything. You probably don't even realize that how big of a problem your phone has become. You're just wasting time constantly. So this is what I advise you to do. Put the phone down, go reflect on your life, realize how big of a problem your screen addiction have. You constantly waste time watching TV shows, scrolling on your phone, watching some bullshit on your PC when you're supposed to work, etc., study. Like, put the phone down, reflect on life, realize how big of a problem your phone actually is to you. Go watch my full guide where I explain how to actually reduce your screen time systematically and stuff. And you can actually get rid of this problem. I've already helped a bunch of people with it. So take this shit seriously. And if you are an entrepreneur, and if you're anyone, go watch the full guide. But if you are serious about this stuff, if you're an entrepreneur, you realize that screen time is one of the biggest problems in your life, click on the first link in the description. It's my one-on-one coaching. I will literally force you to go from the position that you're in right now to not scrolling at all. I don't watch anything. I don't even watch YouTube videos. I would never, if a video popped up on my feed like this, I wouldn't even see it because I don't even watch YouTube. So click on the first link in the description. It's my one-on-one coaching. I'll force you to go from the position that you're in right now to not even scrolling at all. So, and also, if you don't get the result you want, you don't pay. So yeah, go do that, take some action, have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.
Any final comments?
Nope.
Just stuck in a tree?
Yeah.